Hi everyone, this is a practice handwriting page. You can use any exercise book that might have this sort of lines in it. We need a dotted line there and then a dotted line underneath that and a solid blue line, or it's a black line in some books. Most of your letters will end up on this solid line, okay? But it's very important to know where the starting point is for the head letters. Do you remember we did some head letters at school? So your head letters start from line 1. They start from the top there. So your head letters would be B. I can't really do it here. D. So if you can write the letters as I'm saying them, that would be really good.